welcome to the channel. Today we will prepare these two entire lobsters two different ways. I've already boiled the lobsters for a total of 9 minutes to make sure that the meat was cooked inside and they've been sitting in a cold bath. So now we're going to take them out of their nice chilly bath one at a time. And remember that with the lobster, the body, although you do not consume, makes a great lobster broth that can be used for paella, or you can use it for soups or anything you like. We're going to take that, make sure you get all that water out of there. And what we really want to concentrate today is the tails, because today we are going to prepare the tails. So we're going to take off the tail. You can either pull or cut. I'm going to try to pull it because we want to preserve that nice white meat and cut off the little entrails and gunk that we do not want. Now, the butter that's going to broil inside of these lobster tails when I put it inside of my electric oven is going to be butter, bay leaves, a little basil, some cayenne pepper for a little spice on it, parsley, paprika, thyme, rosemary, and just a hint of sage. So we made that prior in a butter sauce. You'll see me add it at the end as we delicately remove the lobster tail from its shell. After the video, we'll have the price that we paid for all of the seafood. We'll have we bought it at Pescaderia, JAP. They have an Instagram. They deliver fresh to your home. Great prices. And we bought the lobsters because they were running a 20% discount because he happened to catch a lot of lobsters up in the north and had a surplus, so he ran a sale on Instagram. So as I always say, a lot of the sales promotions here in the DR you will find on Instagram. It's free, it's easy for people to do so they do so for their business. And then you just reach out to them through their WhatsApp number that's listed on Instagram, and you're able to order, have it delivered, or pick it up from there. But they only charge 100 pesos, which is like $1 and some change for delivery, so we found it. And there's a nice fat lobster tail that we're going to use. So we're going to set that aside. We're going, like I said, to keep the rest of the lobster after I clean it out, because that can be used for lobster bisque, lobster broth. It's still usable and it's still good. Now what we want to do is we want to make sure we slice open that tail so that we can get all the goodness, the seasonings, the butter all in there, and to make sure that all of the entrails that you're supposed to take were taken out. And here it is sitting in that beautiful butter sauce that I spoke of. So I have a Ninja. It's an indoor grill. You can broil, you can air fry, you can bake. Cuts a lot of the heat out of your kitchen, but it does get hot. So let's put on a mitt, because this is at 400 degrees right now, and we're going to put this in for 3 minutes, and it's going to come out absolutely wonderful. Low heat in the house, keep that heat down. Summertime brings enough heat. So we see that inside of there. I'm going to close that lid, and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. So like I was saying, Instagram, WhatsApp, your best friends for ordering, delivering fresh fish, fresh meats. There's other sites that you can check on there for. So let's wait 3 minutes, and then it is ready to take out. And as always, I love my indoor grill. Perfect. It's got a nice crisp brown to it the way I like. We're just going to wet it just a little bit with some of that butter. And the reason there's so much butter sauce is because I'm also going to make a fish, so I need that butter to place the fish in there. So that plus the fish is dinner tonight. And each lobster tail was only less than $3. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and please give it a thumbs up.